Howdy, folks. Today I've got Down on the Corner by Creedence Clearwater Revival for you. We're going to start out with this cool riff. Okay, so let's break that down. So we got the 5th fret of the G string with your first finger, 5, and then 7, 5 on the big string. So 5, 7, 5, 5, 5, and then 7, 5, 5. So we do 2 of the lower 5s there. So 2 5s there, and then 2 5s there, and then we're gonna go 4, 5, 5. So all together. And then we'll do it again. Okay, so let's try that one more time. We'll count it in. 2, 3, 4. Could switch to that finger there if you like. I'll go middle finger sometimes because that leaves that first finger open there. Because if you go like this, it's not that hard to just go switch over either. So whichever one you like. This would be the other way. Going middle finger. Okay, and then we're going to come down here, 6th fret of the 2nd string. 6 and then 7, 5, 6, 6. Now down here, 5, 8, 8. So that one's a little different. So that one was 6, 7, 5, 6, 6, 7, 5, 5, 5, 8, 8. So one more time on that one. 3, 4. And then we're back to the first one here. 3, 4. Okay, so that's the whole riff. I'll play it up to speed now. So we got. Okay, then we have our chords, and these same chords that we're going to do now for this verse would be the same chords that would go behind that riff if you wanted to try playing with the record and doing the chords and not just that riff all the time. So we're going to start out with a C chord. We're going to have C, and then we're going to go to this G bar chord. Actually, let's start with this C here with these 5s right here. We can do some C down here, and it's up to you which one you like, but some of these are going to work with bar chords. They're close to them, kind of get to them easier. And also they're easier to make staccato, like to stop chords kind of quickly. It's easier to do that with just your left hand, like stopping the pressure of a chord, than trying to do that with open strings and trying to bring your right hand into it. So it's a little easier this way. So that's why some of these chords are going to be bar chords. So we'll start out with this C. So that's da-da-da-da-dum, up, 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 down. So down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down. That's your basic kind of strum here. And then we're going to go G, C, 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 C. So that G was just kind of a half as long as that other C. So down, up, down, and then back to C, up, 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 down. So it's kind of like it's split. The length of the first one got split in half for these two. So we got. Let's slow that down. 3, 4. And then we're going to do it again. 3, 4. Okay, so we do 2 sets of the C, G, C, and then we're into this F. So that was a full one. Da 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 dum, up, 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 down, and then C. Same length. Then we do C again. G to C. So all together, that whole thing goes. So it's just the C, G, C thing twice, and then an F, long C, and then a C, G, C again. And then we're into the chorus. F, C, G, C. So I'll do that C down here for that F just because it's near it, you know. So. So F, C, 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 G, C, 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 C. And we do that twice. So let's try that. 3, 4. So those could be da 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 dum 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 da dum, or it could be just like dum da da dum 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 da dum, and you can mix it up, you know, kind of do like da 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 dum. Do that, those fast ones sometimes, and sometimes just go to mix it up, you know. So here goes that chorus one more time. And then we're on a new verse. 3, 4. G to C. Again. F. C. C again. G to C. Chorus. F. C. G. C. Twice. And now we're back to our riff. And then we're just going to do a vamp, the C, G, C thing twice. Okay, then we start a new full verse. 3, 4. G to C. Again. F. C. C. G, C. Chorus. F. C. G to C. Keep doing the chorus. Chorus, and it fades out. So let's do this chorus together nice and slow. 2, 3, 4. All right, Down on the Corner by Creedence Clearwater Revival. This will have a little chord chart and a little tab and stuff for that riff. So talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.